Hi guys, welcome back to online tutorials. Today I am here with an amazing software. It allows anyone to design or create animated explainer videos based on 2D and text-based animation within few minutes. In short, make your story that comes alive using Mongo animate. Before we start, please subscribe my channel and hit on the bell button so that you will be the first person to know more about animation using Mongo animate. You can check descriptions for the link to download this app as well as the full course of animation at free of cost. It is absolutely free of cost. It is a helpful tool for education, marketing, sales and many more. Now let's have a look. If we talk for the education, then it gives the platform to spark the knowledge in new teaching methodology that will last for lifelong. You can download and install it in Windows and Mac. It's free of cost, but paid version will provide you more music, animations, images and many other things. You can check the description for more information.